Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making some corned beef sliders just in time for back to school. And for this I'm going to be using Target corned beef, the only corned beef that I trust. So stay tuned, let me show you all how easy this one is to make. It's a great make ahead meal, and thank you to my sponsor Amco for sponsoring today's episode. For this recipe, I'm going to be using 1 tin of Target corned beef. If you wanted to double or triple this, you can. We're going to open the corned beef and place it into our pan or saute pan. And the pan that I'm using here is the one from Our Place. It's one of my favorite pans to use. And if you are interested in owning one of these pans, I'd leave my affiliate link in the description box for you all to check out, along with all of the ingredients from today's recipe. So empty your corned beef into your pan. You'll notice I did not add any oil. Corned beef tends to have a lot of fat, so you don't want to add any additional oil to this. Break that down and then go in with your veggies or aromatics. I'm using onions, bell peppers, carrots, pimento. You can add scallions, cabbage, whatever you feel like adding in here. It's a great way to hide veggies for the kids. And this is so easy for them to take to school. You could do this and serve it on a slider that I'm doing today, or you could even serve this with some pasta. So Lucima pasta is a really good pasta to use. It stands up really well when you boil it, and it's a great way to give kids an easy meal for back to school. So we're going to cook this for about 8 minutes until the veggies have broken down and they're very tender. And I'll say you're basically hiding the veggies within the corned beef. Now with this recipe, anytime you're using corned beef, you never add salt. Also, this corned beef that I'm using is low sodium, so it's great to use. So once it's done, we're just going to set that aside, allow it to cool down slightly, and then all you have to do is assemble. I'm using mini brioche bread. You could use mini hops bread. You could do regular size hops bread. But I just love how small these breads are, that you can give your kids 1, 2, depending on how much they eat. Kids like to eat small, cute things. So that's the reason why I went for this small bread. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. This was a really easy, quick recipe to put together. Easy and quick so you guys can execute at home to get those kiddos out of the door first thing Monday morning. So stay tuned. I'm going to try to do as much back to school recipes as I can, and I'd like to say thank you to my sponsor Amco for sponsoring today's episode. Be sure to pick up your can of Target corned beef at your leading supermarkets in Trinidad and Tobago. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.